The 5-day funeral ceremony has taken months to prepare. With military precision, Thai soldiers rehearse the last march they'll perform in front of King Bhumibol. It's set to be quite a spectacle. Under Bhumibol's rule, Thailand oversaw stability that made it one of the most prosperous places in Asia. Thousands are expected to arrive, and many will shed tears.
The differences from last year and today is that we are here to offer our prayers for His Majesty. Last year we were extremely saddened and filled with tears because he was gone. But until today, he has always remained on my mind.
Don't expect there to be any criticism of the outgoing king or his replacement, King Varanlongkorn. Thailand has some of the most strict laws in the world, known as lèse-majesté laws. Openly criticising the monarchy carries jail terms under the country's constitution. But even without those laws, there perhaps would have been little criticism of a man so widely revered.
The feeling will be with us forever. It will never fade away. It doesn't matter how many years have passed. He will always be with us.
What comes next for Thailand remains unclear. There are still deep political divisions in the country, and the military is still in control of the political process and will remain so under the new king. But those rifts will be forgotten as millions pay their last respects to a man many consider the father of modern-day Thailand. Nick Davis-Jones, TRT World.